I am here in the Village of Lake Denham at this 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car and a car garage home. Wait till you take a look. And guess what? I'm going to treat you because I'm going to take you into the garage first. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in Florida. Thank you for joining me on this home tour. This home is aggressively priced because they have another home they're ready to buy. We're listing this home for $438,900 and it's turnkey. Oh, 2-car and a car garage. Come on, people. Why is my phone not ringing yet? I know, because it's not up on the internet yet. But now it will be while you're watching it. Let's go in and take a look around and let me know what you think. Alrighty, like I promised, we have landscaping. And it got really nice out. I was freezing this morning. It's January, whatever, 30th. This is 7023 Emiline in the Village of Lake Denham. Hi. Some people riding their bikes. But you can see you can get a lot in there. They have a Tesla. They have a different type of charger for the car, but there is enough room in that panel that you can put your you can put an outlet. Nice looking space, whole home gutters. All right, let's go on and take a look inside. It's 3-bed, 2-bath, split floor plan. You do have a hallway, LVP flooring, and we have carpet in the bedrooms immediately to the right, pocket door with 2 bedrooms. This is a king. And closet. And this is all natural gas, knockdown ceiling, of course, because we are in the southern area of the community. Oh, there's my notebook. I know this comes up quite often. These are high countertops. So when you can see it comes up to my waist. So if you're short, it's tall. If you're tall, nothing's short. Everything is short, I mean. Tile shower and tub, and that's a lower tub, which I like that they're doing that now because, you know, when we get older, I don't want to climb in and fall off. I have front room. They have to set up as an office. And all of the information about the build, the bond, the CDD, I'm going to drop in below. And I'm going to say this up front. If you're looking for a home in the Villages, you should know you must have both MLS and VLS on your side if you want to see all the pre-owned homes in inventory, because you'll be missing out if you use just one. All right, so again, this home is listed turnkey, but there are a few items that will not convey, like that. That's a hand-woven silk carpet, and there's another one over there. But I will have a list of the items that do not convey, and you will get those if you decide to make an offer. What's nice about this is a Whippoorwill floor plan. And what's nice here is first, well, I'm going to take you into the prize pantry, but this wall here is recessed. So you don't have any entertainment center TV sticking out into the living room. So you definitely have a more wide open feel. Now I right now am standing in the corner of the kitchen. There is room for a pool. And they have it nicely landscaped. They turned it very private. Quartz countertops, natural gas. You have a selection of drawers and doors that are, I'll show you, soft close. That, and look at that. Pantry right here. And they just have these organizers put in. So there's a closet organization in the primary suite, closet, and in this pantry. And this model also has that little coffee bar set up there. Huge amount of storage. A nice size center island, big sink, stainless steel appliances, and it's the brushed nickel. They're putting that polished nickel in the new homes, and I don't like it. There's fingerprints all over everything, drives me nuts. Gas range, because we have natural gas here. You do have, which I wish my home had, you had this little pull out for your trash. My rental has it, but my home doesn't have it. All right, we're going to walk on into, and you know what, while I'm here, so I'll take a separate laundry room, entrance to the garage. It is 2-car and golf cart garage, so you have a lot of space out there. You have room for all your cars, your toy, well, maybe not all your cars, toys, trains, planes, golf carts. All right, we're going to take a look in the primary suite. This is a king-size bed. 2 nightstands. They don't have a dresser in here, but you don't need it, because wait till you see the size of the walk-in closet. You don't need a dresser in the bedroom. You can keep everything in your closet. Dual sinks, nice framed mirrors, lights, tile shower. As there's LVP flooring throughout except in the bedrooms. Nice, neat, organized. And I know this will come up. Why are they selling? Because they bought a home with a view and a larger home. And that happens often here. That's why you see people moving 3 times. They trade on up. All right, let's go out onto the lanai. Now you have plenty of room out here to do whatever you want. You see now, the power boxes out there, that is actually the property line. But of course the landscaping is set in and you still have room here. You could put an extended bird cage. Again, I have a drawing for a pool. A lot of yard here. And this is tilt up wall. It's not block and stucco, excuse me. This is tilt wall construction. Gosh, you could expand on this home if you wanted to. And right around the corner is, which is it? Franklin Rec Center is not far. Lake Denham, the postal station and the pool is right around the corner. I hear the drone. Okay. At least it warmed up and it's very bright. Oh, awesome. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of 7023 Emiline in the village of Lake Denham in the Villages, Florida. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. If you're looking to buy or sell a home, your girl. And of course, you saw my book. If you're looking to stay in the Villages, Clara's Cottage is available after the end of May. over the summer, if you're looking to come down and shopping, I have room. Come on down and stay.
Sorry.
Hey, no, it's okay.
The drone is driving me crazy.
Oh, poor puppies. All right, anyway, thank you for joining me on this episode. I'll see you next time. Oh, don't forget, you need to stay and check if you're trying to understand about the community. I have this series called The Money Map, and it's about the bond, the CDD, the amenity fee, taxes. I have 2 more videos coming up on expenses and the ARC. You want to stay tuned for that. Make sure you like and subscribe so you get a notification when that video comes out. All right, I will see you next time.